Good day, everyone. Today I'll be sharing two scenarios of critical threat facing our digital landscape in the Philippines. Deepfake investigation case study. A fabricated audio clip mimicking President Marcos Jr. ordering the military to take aggressive action against a foreign power in response to tension in the West Philippine Sea. What makes Case 1 so dangerous? Its timing. The creators released this audio exactly when territorial tension in the West Philippine Sea were at their peak. The creators guaranteed that the audio would spread like wildfire before anyone thought to check it. Investigating, investigating Case 1. Indicators and verification. When you listen closely to the audio, you can hear micro glitch. A command of this scale will trigger immediate diplomatic and military movements. The absolute silence from the defense department was the ultimate proof of fabrication. Case 2. The 93 million scam. A deepfake video depicting President Marcos Jr. personally endorsing an online cryptocurrency platform. This was a deeply coordinated and planned phishing scam. The scammers physically visited the victim, bringing expensive gifts and pretending to emissaries of the president to build trust. The deepfake video served as ultimate seal of credibility. Investigating Case 2. Video deepfakes are visually impressive, but they still struggle with micro-expression. When you pause the particular video, you can see pixel tearing and blurring around the mouth whenever the avatar speaks. Why we fall for deepfake? Human psychology is trained to trust instructions coming directly from heads of state, medical personalities. Emotional catalyst. Case 1 feeds directly on territorial protections, anxieties, urging the viewers to share without thinking to warn others. Deepfakes do not target our logic, they target our primal instinct. When our emotions are high, critical thinking is at its lowest. These are the emotional trap and the tension. What drives the threat actors? The large-scale cyber syndicates create conventional leaders endorsements to easily reach the psychological barriers of the wealthy targets. The ultimate goal here goes to beyond stealing money or causing a brief panic. It is a psychological strategy called the liar's dependent. When the public realize that the video and audio can be perfectly fake, they eventually stop believing anything at all, including real warnings from legitimate authorities. Authorized. Actionable verification guide. Reverse image search checks voice cross-check channels. In the age of AI, seeing is no longer believing. It's just a reason to start verifying. Pause before you click and let the lie stop with you. For conclusion, in the age of AI, seeing is no longer believing. It is just a reason to start verifying. Let's make sure the chain of light stops with us. Thank you.